Lesson 11. The essential modules for financial success. There's a significant amount of confusion surrounding wealth creation, and if you search the internet, you'll find countless sources touting passive income streams and advising against putting all your eggs in one basket. However, this information isn't entirely accurate. The media frequently perpetuates the notion that millionaires have 7 income streams, but they often confuse how millionaires generate their wealth with how they invest it. Many financial experts will encourage you to diversify your portfolio, but in the early stages of wealth building, this may not be the best advice. When you're well-informed, you'll want to concentrate your efforts on the one thing that will generate the majority of your capital. To create wealth, you first need to learn how to make a significant amount of money, and then invest in other assets that will generate passive income. At the moment, you likely don't have a wealth issue, but rather a capital gains problem. In other words, you need to significantly increase the money coming in. To do this, revisit Day 8 of this learning pack on leveraging your resources, and if that doesn't work, go back to Day 1 and start over. Dedicate your time and effort, hire people, and work hard alongside them. Once the money starts coming in, you can begin investing in passive income sources. Working hard enables you to generate more money in a shorter period, but there's always a limit to how much time you can devote. The key lesson here is that while a person can have 1 or 2 jobs, there's no limit on the number of income-generating assets, such as rental properties, businesses, or vending machines, that they can own. Each time you add one of these assets to your portfolio, you're purchasing more of your freedom. Ideally, you want to maintain an income-generating business until the passive income matches what you can generate on your own. Money-making machines create a business model that don't require your full attention in the long term for your primary cash generators. Reinvest a large portion of the profits to create more wealth. Create more revenue streams that can be connected to your main one, if possible, like advertising, digital products, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, content licensing, web advertising, app subscriptions, and direct partnership and endorsement sales. Also invest in other online businesses that generate predictable revenue, such as e-commerce, software-as-a-service businesses, and an online advertising agency. These businesses can generate a significant amount of cash each month, which can be used to invest in other assets. Store of value investments, real estate is the primary focus here. The first big payment that you get, and we mean the big one, 1 million or more dollars, euros, or whatever your currency equivalent is, must go directly into real estate to ensure you are never going to be broke again. Keep adding 1 property per year, which can serve as short-term rentals. You can also get a management company handle everything, so you don't have to worry about the day-to-day tasks. In addition to the short-term rentals, you can offer office spaces. Asymmetric risk investments. With the money generated from the businesses, you can afford to invest in early-stage technology companies and serve as mentors for their founders. As a rule, out of 10 investments, 4 might fail, 3 will break even, 2 will double your money, and 1 will be a home run. The beauty of asymmetric risk investing is that you only need 1 big success to cover all your failures and then some, but you must be prepared for potential losses. Wealth is about earning money while you sleep, and some of the best wealth-building modules available to investors include real estate, minority shares, dividend stocks, and intellectual property, such as trademarks, patents, copyrights, licensing, and royalties. The most effective investments are those that you make once and then let them generate income with little to no intervention. So, ask yourself these 3 questions. What can I do right now to dramatically increase my earning potential? Once I have money coming in, which wealth-building module do I understand best? What can I create once that will generate income from this day forward? It's essential not to worry about the initial low amounts of money you may generate. We used our first $1 million to establish a few $1,000s in monthly income, but that was the beginning of our journey to financial freedom. Keep adding to your wealth, drop by drop, and eventually you'll have a reliable income stream that covers all your expenses and more. Take a few moments to reflect on what you've just learned and consider the immense value it can bring to your life. We look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow, ready to continue your journey towards financial success with the lessons in life theory. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom and security that wealth can provide, allowing you to enjoy life on your own terms.